The next tip is over book borrowing. We all, at some point in our lives, back in school or in college, would have borrowed our friends' books. Even now, in the current age when people are working, are in jobs, there could be so many times that they would want to borrow books from the others. It now need not necessarily be a book which would be a novel, a fiction, or a non fiction one, but it could also be related to your paperwork, your office work. There could be so many documents that could be required and would be in a spiral bind form or in a book form or in a file. Now, when you borrow something from the other person to read, it's always important to give it back to them in the same condition that you took it from them. Nobody likes getting books back in a state which they were not in. Now, I talk about only and only a good state. So, if somebody has given you a book in a very good state, make sure that you give them back in that same state.